Hey everyone, welcome to Lance Fans Gaming. This is part 6 of September 2025 Patreon. We are going to be looking at Warhammer Proxy, D&D figures, and anime figurines as well for your 3D printing needs. If you do enjoy it, please subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon Discord. And let's get started. MCDM production. A lot of these I do need to delete because I don't know which one is which. September 4th is good. I think this is creation. No, we don't want that. We want STL file. Gaz Minis. Okay, this is another STL file. They do a lot of D&D stuff. Sometimes they do Warhammer Proxy, like this corn right here to the welcome pack. They do a lot of Sisters of Battle as well. So it looks like we're getting Goblins. One of League of Legends as well. Dwarven Fighter and a Roller Derby one. So we got September pre-release. That's right here. So I think that was probably for August. Yeah, I think these are for August. You get a Necron female as well with that. So more will probably show up later on. Just keep a lookout for that. Merge Project, another one. They do a lot of uh, Pokemon and Digimon on this one too. So you got Garurumon, probably coming up. I forgot his name. Vile. Yeah, Vile was coming up as well. Megalyn X was actually pretty cool looking. Megalyn X, like battle damage as well. I used to own Mega Man stuff, so this is September Award. Um, that's gonna be coming out this month. Lost Heresy, they do a lot of little stuff with the what you call it, like movie stuff. So we got the SecBot security droid. I don't know where that's from. Probably Hitchhiker's Guide, I believe. I don't know. But September preview, we got some Space Zombie. Probably from Star Wars, I would say. That looks like a Star Wars badge. But yeah. Previews. Go and take a look and find out. A lot of stuff usually come out towards like the 20th of September, just let you guys know. Star Wars Patreon. If you want Star Wars figure and bust and like blasters and lightsaber, is probably it. Let's see here. I don't know. Forget which one this is from. Andor, I believe. I don't know. A lot of TV series from what you call it. A lot of TV series from Star Wars, especially Disney, I really did not like. This is the August one. You get the past month as well, so I think these are all from Andor, but I don't know for a fact. I used to be a big Star Trek fan, not as much anymore due to the fact, and you get the Pirates of the Caribbean sculpt for this as well. Let's see here. Post. These are figures, not anime, but let's see here. September sculpt. Is that September? Sculpt model, different post. We got nothing that's Mulan. There you go. September pre-release. Anyway, swashbuckler female, and they usually get a lot more too. You go check them out. Battle Yak miniature. This is for D&D. I think you find some of these for Warhammer as well. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. It's either hit or miss, but I want to know what kind of what are they? Blood Hollow. Oh, is this from Hollow Knight? Well, they're making Hollow Knight figures. I have not played this game yet, so I really do not know. So if you're interested in Hollow Knight, I think if you want that in your little D&D game for it, yeah, go for it. But I don't think Hollow Knight is going to be one of them, is it? Uh, August 28th. I don't know. I really don't know. I'm more worried. We see some space wolves. Looks like it. Uh, Which one is this coming out? Space Wolves are now on sale. So those are Space Wolves. That's August. So yeah, we're getting Hollow Knight and Space Wolves. That's pretty cool. I don't think I have that many Space Wolves at all. Claymore Miniature. This used to be a good one. I don't know why they stopped. January 10th. December 24th. Yeah, they're gone. Monsters Encounter. Another good one for Old World, I would say. So we got Merlin for the hero with his bunny. You also get like all of these past ones with it. See the old school orcs for it. But yeah, there's a lot you can get with these guys. Usually they have pretty good ones, but they probably release more later on. Studio Soy Union. Let's see what they got. Crowdfunded Stardust Saga. 2023. Nope, they're gone. TC Random Collectibles. There's another figure one as well. Read Me. They're gone. Mr. Modoc. If you want to do orcs for your 40K, this is probably one of the best ones. September terrains for orcs. It's pretty cool. Orcs are kind of like, I'm fascinated with them, but also is like kind of frustrated because, you can get like a horde of orcs just for a small number of points, and it's just hard to keep track of all of these things as well. You get the free ones. You also get Robo Orc as well. Interested in that. You also get one without the mask. I don't know what kind of proxy he's gonna make with that. And this is last month one too. This is actually pretty cool looking. So they're doing a RoboCop version of the orc. I think everyone's gonna be very excited about that as well. Mini games, miniatures. Let's see here. Let's see here. This is August released one. August. Librarian. Where they do like anime version of Warhammer, if you're interested in that. From Cyberpunk version to Tau. And this as well because they're good at shooting. But yeah, these are pretty cool. I painted some of them for you in the past videos, not as much as I wanted to. See, ground effect. I think this guy just shows you how to paint your minis. I saw some of his video on YouTube, and yeah, he doesn't do 3D prints. Weird design. I think he's gone too. Surgery Tale Lives. Okay, he's gone. Craftful Studio Art Lesson. Let's see if we can get some more stuff that we haven't done yet. STL Project. Yep. My Dab. Mayo. Fire Station. Neko. Peach. Okay, let's do some of these guys. This one's a figure one as well. Get Told. The September one for the figure ones as well. I'm more interested in Toga. I think this is from Fatal Frame. Told me I don't know where that's from. I have not watched that movie yet. I thought it was kind of stupid. We got Dr. Wiley and him pleading for his life when he loses. Man, I love figures. This is a lot of loot stuff. This is all going to be on for this month. We got Meg, Celine, Charlotte, Mary Jane. I like the comic book Mary Jane. I don't like the movie one. Ooh, Shuko, the mother of that the silent girl, high school girl, for it. Yeah, a whole bunch of stuff. Someone already voted for this already. Mayo Studio, another figure. Looks like we got Diane from Deadly Sins. That's actually pretty cool. I read all the manga for the Seven Deadly Sins and have never finished watching the anime for that. Station Forge. They do 40K, Age of Sigmar, and Old World. I think this is Tau one. I don't think Tau has jetpacks, do they? These are a lot of the proxy ones. There's a shitload of them. There's gonna be a lot more out. I do like seeing these. I think this is from Trench Warfare. Warfare. I see a lot of good makes of it, and I see a lot of crappy makes of it of people do with that as well. That's this August. See, there's like a whole bunch. Just a short amount of money for like $10. There'll be a lot more for that that'll be popping up. Neko figurine, previous month, and this coming month for it. I have not watched K-pop Demon Hunter yet. Was not really interested in that. Hubris A2, Hollow Knight. I probably should get this game for the Switch too. I haven't played it. I don't even own the game. I wasn't really interested in it when I first looked at it. I heard a lot of good things from other people. If you're a side scroller, Peach figure. This is going to be this month model. I'm waiting for Shion, and this is the previous one. You can get that as well. Well, anyhow, hope you guys do enjoy it. Please subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon Discord. Thank you guys very much. Hope you have a great day, guys. Bye.